So Antonio says that there is no place for guilt in my life. Here lies your brother, that is Alonso, no better than the earth he lies upon. Means he is no better than the mud. That is, earth is at present, let's say, non-living. So your brother is also at present seems like dead. So he is no better than the earth. Means earth is also non-living. He is also at present can be considered as dead. If he were that which now he is like, that is dead. So supposing he were like earth, means he were dead at present, motionless, inactive, non-living. Whom I, with this obedient steel that is the dagger or the sword, 3 inches of it can lay to bed forever. So if I pierce this sword inside him, 3 inches of it goes inside his stomach, then he can stay in bed forever. Means he will be dead forever. While you doing thus to the perpetual wink, okay, and you also do the same. Perpetual means everlasting, wink means sleep. So you also put for everlasting sleep, means you also kill who? For A means always, might put this ancient morsel. Morsel means like meat. He is referring ancient morsel to Gonzalo, the old man. Ancient, old, okay, old meat, that is old Gonzalo. So you also do the same to Gonzalo. Means I will kill, Antonio will kill Alonso and Sebastian will kill Gonzalo. This is the plan of Antonio. This Sir Prudence means cautious counselor. So he who is very cautious. So supposing if you don't kill Gonzalo, then he will find out the truth that who has killed Alonso. Who should not upbraid our course? Upbraid means reproach. So after Gonzalo wakes up and he finds Alonso dead, then he will start scolding us, making us realize our guilt, okay, or tell others also about it. So he also should be killed. For all the rest, other lords, all the rest of the lords, they will take suggestions as a cat laps milk. Means cats believe in anything. You give the milk to the cat, and cat has nothing to do with whatever is happening around her. The cat is only considered about the milk. So other lords are only considered, they're only bothered about their money and their salary. As far as they get the salary, they don't consider who is their king or what has happened to the previous king. So they are just like cats who laps milk. So they will not be bothered much who has killed Alonso and all. But this Gonzalo is different. So he should be killed. They will tell the clock to any business that we say befits the hour. So other lords will tell the time to any business. Means whatever we say that befits the hour. Means if we will say that in the evening, if we will say that this is morning time, they will agree to it. If in night time we say this is afternoon time, they will agree to it. Means they will not cross question. They will not use their brains. They will follow everything blindly. Whatever we say, whatever excuse we will give that Alonso has been killed by a lion, they will believe it. But Gonzalo will not believe. So Gonzalo should be killed, and we don't have to bother much about other laws because they will easily believe whatever we tell them. So Sebastian says, thy case, means your case, dear friend. The dear friend he refers to Antonio, shall be my precedent. Precedent means example to follow. Means whatever you have done to Prospero, I will also do the same to my brother Alonso. As thou gottest Milan, as you got Milan, I will come by Naples. I will rule over Naples. Draw thy sword. Okay, so take out your sword, Antonio. One stroke shall free thee from the tribute which thou payest. So, if you remember, Antonio signed a treaty with Alonso that he will pay him annual tribute. Okay, if Alonso helps him in ousting Prospero, and Alonso helped him on this condition that his coronet will be treated as crown, he will get annual tribute. Okay, and all that. So, Sebastian says, if you kill Alonso, you are free from that annual tribute. No money will be paid by you anymore now. And I, the king, shall love thee. So I will be the king of Naples. Sebastian says that he will be the king of Naples, and he will love Antonio for the way he is. He will not demand for any kind of tribute from Antonio. So Antonio says, draw together. So let us take our swords out together. So you kill Gonzalo and I will kill Alonso. And when I rear my hand, rear means raise. So when I raise my hand, do you the like. You also do the same to fall it on Gonzalo. So when I raise my sword to kill Alonso, you also raise your sword to kill Gonzalo. Sebastian says, oh, but one word. Let me talk to you. I want to talk to you about, discuss more about it. So he stops and then he starts talking to Antonio. They converse apart. So they move from there and they start talking. Re-enter Ariel, invisible. Now Ariel comes and he is invisible. He cannot be seen by anyone. So Ariel says, my master through his art foresees the danger that you, his friend, are in. So Ariel says that my master, who is his master? Prospero. So Prospero through his magic, through his art, has already seen what danger you, that is Gonzalo, what danger Gonzalo you are in. Prospero has already seen it, and so he has sent Ariel to save Gonzalo and sends me forth, and that is why he has sent me over here. For else his project dies. Otherwise what will happen if Alonso and Gonzalo are killed? Then Prospero's project, means Prospero's plan, is dead. What is his plan? To make Alonso, Antonio, Sebastian, everyone feel guilty. So here if Alonso and Gonzalo will be killed, so Antonio and Sebastian will become even more powerful, even they are doing even more wrong. So Prospero's plan of raising the tempest and bringing everyone on the island is all, again then it's of no use then. His plan will fail. He will not let it fail. So no one will be killed, no one will be harmed. The only purpose of bringing them on the island is to make them realize their guilt, to keep them living. So Prospero wants everyone to be living on the island and no harm to be done to anyone.